Welcome to everything wellness, well-being and creativity. Each week I bring out a kit for you guys to download or to bought printed so that you can follow along with my daily art wellness videos. There's adult colouring, there's learn to draw grid method, there's daily wellness journal pages and sometimes bonus doodle pages too. So what we do is we work through on the videos all of the different pages as you can see here. Whilst I'm doing this, I'll just let you know there is a short video of this. This is going to be a colouring in colouring pencil. So please do check out my shorts if you prefer to see a sped up version, a time-lapse version. I'm just flicking you through the pages of all the things that we've done before, just in case you're new here. Hope you like what you see. If you're interested, I will be tagging the product for you. So please do take a look at the different things over on my website available. There's lots of kits and art kits and things for you to have a little browse. But really all I'm about is wellness and making sure you're doing something daily creative. I am becoming an artistic wellness coach or a creative wellness coach, whatever you want to call me. So basically making sure that you are doing something that is relaxing your brain, that is kind of repetitive and is your hand and brain kind of connection, is taking you away from your repetitive thoughts, your ruminating, your worrying, and bringing you straight back bang into the present. So here I am. I've chosen a load of browns. I've pulled them out of my set because it was quite a big set. These are Castle Arts. I use different pencils and different things, just depends on how I'm feeling. I've got quite a few sets that I've collected as I've experimented with different types of pencils. Believe it or not, there's a lot out there. Anyways, so I've coloured in kind of a medium brown. And then I'm layering up maybe some darker browns, some reddier browns. I go in with a really dark brown towards the end. But I'm starting on the face and I'm just trying out some colours. Remember, these are most importantly meant to be easy and fun. Don't pressurise yourself to have anything that's, going to be hung in a gallery anywhere. This is in your wellness journal. This is in your wellness pack. It is not about perfection. It's just about doing it because that is what's going to help you physically and mentally, because you're releasing tension from your body as well as your brain. So sit back, grab a cup of tea, maybe light a smelly candle, whatever takes your fancy, and get stuck in with me. Join me. If you haven't got the kit yet, pause me right here, stop me right here, and then you can follow along with me once you've got your kit. As I say, I will attach them. However, if you don't want to purchase the kit, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You can just watch, because sometimes just watching is as relaxing as actually doing. So I'm going to turn off my voice for now so you can just watch. I'm not going to add any music because I think you can actually watch me doing this and hear my voice when you need to hear my voice and put your own music on if you want to, and then that's fine, isn't it? You got the good mixture then. Okay, I'm going to go. Here on the body, I've just come back on just to let you know what I'm doing. I'm using the side of the pencil because this helps to cover the whole of the body quicker. When you're doing small areas, it's fine to use the point of the pencil, but when you're wanting to fill areas really quickly, it's a good idea to use the side of the pencil. But I'm also lifting up and turning it so that I'm not just getting that straight edge on the pencil point, and that means you don't waste your pencil by it snapping off. Just keep turning the sides, and that way you'll save your pencil. So I'm going to do that with one colour, And then you can see I'm not really sticking to any kind of lines or anything, because dog's fur is all different colours and shades. Even though this is just a fun activity, I'm trying to make it a bit realistic for me, just because I want to. You don't have to. You can colour that dog in one colour all over. Job done. Totally valid, totally fine. But for me, I like to try and get a little bit of difference in. So I go for about 3 or 4 different browns on this, and I'm just layering on the side of the pencil. Then I come in with what's called a blending pencil. It has no colour, and it's specially formed to break the pigment up that you've laid down and push it into the paper, and it just makes it a bit more vibrant. You'll see me do that later on. Just moving the camera in here for you, because this is where I bring the blending pencil in, and as you can see, it's completely like white lead to it, like a white point. So I'm using that, and you just push it over, and you can see how it's taking the graininess away and smoothing out the colour. So it's always a good tip. They're really, you can buy them really easily online. They're just called blender pencils or blending pencils. Can you see then it just got rid of that graininess in the white? And then you can come in again over the top with other colours, like I'm just about to, when they've blended in and you've lost some of the shading. So you can come in again and work over the top. You don't really need to blend again afterwards. You've already done the base layer and blended that, but if you want to, you can. It's at this point where I have decided that some of the areas aren't dark enough. So in order to bring out the light, you need the polarity of light and dark. Just like in life, there is no light if there is no dark. So I'm trying to make the lighter areas lighter by making some shadow, particularly where the lines are drawn in, because that's where there would be some shadow, where there's folds of fur and things like that. So that's all I'm doing here. My final little decision to bring in some more dark areas. Yeah. That's it. If you've made it to the end, well done you. Please don't forget, I will tag the products. If not, you can head over to my website. Just visit my link tree, Heart and Design, where you can see all of my links there for you. I really hope you enjoy the kits. I really hope that they do the job and help you with your mental well-being.